Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Coal mining firms in Markerville are merging into one single employer. We need to find how this monopsony shift changes wages and employment levels fast. When those four separate firms merge into one, the labor market transforms into a monopsony. This means a single buyer now controls the entire demand for coal miners in town. A monopsonist faces an upward-sloping labor supply curve, meaning they must pay higher wages to hire more workers. Consequently, their marginal factor cost stays above the actual market wage. To maximize profit, the firm hires fewer workers at a lower wage than a competitive market. This makes option C our perfect final answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.